Scene Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you open this year quietly determines how fast your credit score rises, how easily you qualify for apartments, and whether lenders see you as risky or responsible? Most people get this wrong. But here's why understanding the Scene Credit Card in 2025 could change your financial direction more than you think. Scene is one of the newer credit cards designed specifically for people who are rebuilding credit, starting over, or simply trying to escape the high-fee trap that many second-chance cards create. It promises transparency, simplicity, and better treatment than traditional subprime cards. And the surprising truth about Scene is that it actually follows through on much of that promise. So let's take a calm, honest, and complete look at what the Scene Credit Card really offers, how it works, who it is for, and whether it deserves a place in your wallet in 2025. Scene is an unsecured credit card. That means you do not have to put down a security deposit. This makes it accessible to people who may not have spare cash to tie up in a secured card. Approval standards are more forgiving than most major bank cards, making Scene a realistic option for people with fair or even poor credit. Starting credit limits vary, but many cardholders report limits ranging from $500 to $2,000 depending on their profile. This is a healthy range for rebuilding and gives enough room to demonstrate good credit behavior without encouraging overspending. Now let's talk about fees, because this is where Scene really separates itself from many competitors. The Scene Credit Card has no annual fee. This alone puts it ahead of many second-chance cards that charge well over $100 per year just to keep your account open. There are also no monthly maintenance fees. This means you are not paying just to exist as a customer. Interest rates are still higher than prime cards, but they are far more reasonable than many subprime products. Still, the smartest strategy is to always pay your balance in full and avoid interest entirely. Scene reports to all three major credit bureaus. This ensures that your on-time payments are actively improving your credit profile. You won't believe what happens next for many Scene users. With consistent, responsible use, it is common to see noticeable credit score increases within 6 to 12 months. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a man named Chris. Chris had several late payments from years ago. His credit score was around 580. He was approved for Scene with a $1,000 limit. He used the card only for groceries and gas. He paid it in full every month. After 1 year, his credit score rose above 650. He then qualified for a traditional rewards card. For Chris, Scene was a clean, low-cost bridge back to financial normalcy. Now imagine another person named Jasmine. Jasmine got Scene and started carrying balances. She paid interest and occasionally paid late. Her progress slowed. The card still helped, but not nearly as fast. This shows the surprising truth. Scene rewards discipline and punishes carelessness less harshly than fee-heavy cards. Scene also offers modern mobile tools, simple budgeting features, and free credit monitoring. These tools help you stay aware of your progress. Scene does not focus on rewards. It is not meant to compete with cashback cards. Its focus is credit health, not perks. Now let's answer the big question. Is the Scene Credit Card worth it in 2025? For people rebuilding credit or starting fresh, the answer is a strong yes. The lack of annual fees, reasonable interest, and transparent structure make it one of the best unsecured rebuilding cards available. It is especially good for people who cannot afford a deposit but want to avoid high-fee traps. If you already have good credit and want rewards, this is not the right card for you. So should you choose Scene or leave it? If you are rebuilding, starting over, or trying to move out of subprime territory, Scene is absolutely worth it in 2025. Your credit future does not have to be built on expensive mistakes. It can be built on simple, honest tools. If this review helped you understand Scene more clearly, stay connected for more honest financial guidance. Your next choice can move you closer to freedom. Choose wisely and build forward.